Hey guys! As you can see, this is my current setup. Both of these machines are running Manjaro Linux, which is crazy because not that long ago I hadn't even considered switching. Today, I want to show you some awesome features that Manjaro brings to the table, the kind of stuff Windows users can only dream of. As you probably guessed from the title, we're talking about the Manjaro File Explorer. It's called Dolphin, specifically the Dolphin File Manager. All right, enough talk. Let's jump into my laptop so I can give you a hands-on look at what this Manjaro Linux tool can actually do. And hey, while we're at it, I'd love it if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in Windows alternatives. So, what does Dolphin look like and where do you find it? Right after installing Manjaro, it should be right there on your taskbar, the bottom panel. If you don't see it, go to the Start menu. I'm honestly not even sure what the official name for this menu is in Manjaro yet. Go to All Applications and you'll find it under D. Makes sense, right? D for Dolphin. Just click to launch it. Once it appears on the taskbar, you can right-click it and select Pin to Task Manager. Now, it'll always be right at your fingertips. Now, let's take a look at the interface. It's pretty straightforward and feels very intuitive. On the left, you have your main navigation for finding files. For example, if you download something through Chromium, it ends up in the Downloads folder. If you render a video, it saves to your Home folder. You've also got your trash right here for deleted files. One thing I love is that your portable devices, like USB drives, show up right here too. You can mount them or safely eject them with just one click. To me, that is super cool and incredibly fast. I remember in Windows, you'd download a file to a flash drive, try to eject it by going to the system tray, clicking the little arrow, finding the icon, only for it to give you an error 2 seconds later saying it can't be removed because it's still in use. That was such a pain. I usually ended up just ripping the drive out of the computer anyway. Let me know in the comments, did you do that too? I'd love to hear your stories. Alright, now that we're familiar with the basics, let's look at the menus. I'm not going to over-explain everything because, honestly, I'm still a total noob. But some useful things I've found. You can quickly toggle hidden files in the top menu and use the breadcrumb navigation at the top to move around. Also, you can instantly turn this from a standard window into a powerhouse like Total Commander. Seriously, it's like a completely free version of Total Commander. Just hit Split, and now you have 2 active panes. Click one window to pick your source folder, click the other for your destination, and you're ready to move files, copy, cut, whatever your heart desires. You can also change how data is displayed, switch between light and dark themes, pin panels, and customize pretty much everything. It's all very user-friendly. As a bonus, this file manager has built-in terminal support. If you hit F4, a terminal opens up right inside the window. What's really cool is that the terminal automatically follows whatever folder you're browsing. Since I'm a noob, I don't use the terminal much yet because I don't fully know what it's capable of, but I'm sure power users really appreciate this. I'm sure I've only scratched the surface of what Dolphin can do, maybe 50% at most, but even this is enough to make the switch from Windows to Manjaro Linux worth it. If you found this intro video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like.